Hi, today I'm running XIAOMI 12T Pro and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and in the search pool we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application. That's why let's tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that we should click open and tap enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard we should click to the switcher to turn it on, click to OK, once again OK, and go back. Then tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard, and then tap to OK. So now we can see that the process is finished, and let's go to the app search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.